Hey YouTubers, how you doing? Just a random prize draw for the subscribers. Not the best prize really. I've got 3 of these big coins of Prince Charles and Lady Diana Spencer. Big coins from 1981. Not silver as far as I know. But yeah, 3 people can win one of them. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. I will post it to you. All you have to do is comment on this video, any comment, and I'll enter you into it. There'll be a prize draw beginning of March. The winners will be announced. But that's all, simple as that. Good luck everyone. You have to be subscribed obviously to this channel as well. Like the video, comment, boom, you'll be in the prize draw. Not the best prize. British people probably will think, yeah, I don't really want to win that. But you never know, there might be Americans and Canadians and other people around the world that might want to win a little piece of history there. Anyway, good luck everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.